if your TikTok videos are stuck at 0 or even below 1000, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 possible solutions that can actually help you to solve this problem. So guys, let's dive right into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low views on TikTok. So right here is my TikTok app. The first way to fix this is to optimize upload. You need to optimize your upload. Now, how do you optimize your upload? You need to use TikTok inbuilt editor if possible. TikTok algorithm actually favors content that uses their inbuilt editor. Now, how do you access the TikTok inbuilt editor? You can actually do that by clicking on the plus button at the bottom of the screen like this. Scroll at the bottom and you're going to see create. You can see that TikTok actually has an inbuilt editor that actually allows you to create and edit video in TikTok. Now, after using this inbuilt editor, it's actually going to give you the tendency of the video getting more views instead of stocking at 0 or below 1000. The next step you can actually take is to use trending sound or hashtag relevant to the niche, and also you need to add engaging captions and also avoid words like follow or link in bio. You don't need to tell your viewers to check link in bio all the time on your video or tell them to follow you on your video. That words are actually banned words on TikTok, and it's actually going to reduce your chances of getting more views on TikTok. So this is the first way to fix this problem. So the second way you can actually solve this problem is by following their community guidance and terms of condition. Now, if you normally post videos and the videos contain some banned word in your caption, hashtag or text, this can actually reduce your chances of getting more views on that video right here on TikTok. TikTok is actually going to suppress that video and reduce its chances of getting views. So in order for you to actually fix that problem, if you actually fall into the victim of not abiding to their community guidance by using inappropriate banned words, in order for you to fix that problem, you need to delete that video, re-upload it without those restricted words, and avoid any spammy hashtags, and stick to TikTok approved sounds. You need to stick to TikTok approved sounds, not just any sounds you like. So this is the second way you can actually fix low views, or if your videos are actually stocked below 1000. So the third way you can actually fix this as well is to wait for 24 to 48 hours. Now, this might sound actually funny to wait, but sometimes the algorithm actually needs time in order for it to distribute your videos to the right audience. So it's actually advisable that after uploading, you should wait for at least 24 to 48 hours before complaining that it is stocked at 0 or below 1000. So if after 48 hours yet the videos are still at 0 views or below 1000, it is likely that the video is actually under review or under shadow banned. The fourth way you can actually fix this problem as well is by clearing your app cache and data. So in order for you to actually do that, you can go right here on your profile, click on the tray line icon at the top right corner of your screen, click on settings and privacy. Right here, you need to scroll to the bottom. Now right here, you can see where it says free up space. So you need to click on free up space and click on clear cache. Go ahead and clear your cache like this, and this is actually going to help you as well to fix this problem. If after clearing your cache yet the problem is not yet fixed, you can actually go ahead as well and log out of your TikTok account and re-log into your TikTok account once more. And also you need to also try to update your TikTok app. All this could actually affect your views on TikTok. So you need to update your TikTok app like this by going to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for TikTok. Click on the update app like this and get your TikTok app updated, and try using a very good network or connect to a very good Wi-Fi. So this is the third way you can actually fix low views on TikTok. So the fourth way you can actually fix this as well is to avoid spam-like behaviors. Now, what is spam-like behaviors? Now, let's say for instance you post a lot of posts at the same time, you must post at the same time, and those videos you actually posted are identical videos. This is a spam-like behavior, and it's actually not advisable to do that on TikTok. You might actually get shadow banned on TikTok for doing that. It is actually very good to post consistently on TikTok, but giving out space is actually necessary. So you can actually post some posts today and schedule some others to be posted the next day. It is not actually advisable to mass post consistently and post a lot of videos the same day. It's actually going to reduce your chances of that video to be distributed properly on TikTok, which might actually reduce your chances of getting more views on TikTok. The last way you can actually fix this problem as well is to check your account status. Now, how do you check your account status? First, you need to switch into a pro or business account by clicking on your profile like this and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of your screen. So right here, you can go ahead and click on settings and privacy. So looking right here, you can see where it says accounts. So you can simply click on that, and looking right here, you can see where it says switch to business accounts. So you can go ahead and click on switch to business account like this and click on next like this and click on next, click on next. Select your category, that is the type of videos you post on TikTok. Then click on next like this. So right here, I'm going to click on skip and click on visit business suite. Now looking right here, it says you are all set. I've been able to switch to business account. So this is how simple it is to switch to business account. This is the first step you can actually take in order to check your account status. The next way is to contact TikTok support. You need to contact TikTok support if after following all those steps yet the problem is not yet fixed. You need to go right here on your settings and privacy like this. Scroll to the bottom and you're going to see where it says report a problem. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on account and profile, or you can go ahead and click on account growth. So right here, I'm going to click on no, this did not solve my problem, and I'm going to click on need more help. So right here, you need to simply explain to TikTok that your videos are stuck at 0 and they are going to actually provide a solution to you, or actually tell you the reason why your videos are stuck at 0. So if after complaining to TikTok and switching to a pro account in order to check your account status, yet the issue actually persisted for some weeks, you can actually try creating a new account. I know this might actually sound very sad, but you need to actually create a new account. If after following all those instructions, yet the problem is not yet fixed, you can actually go ahead and create a new account. It might actually be necessary. Now you need to actually run a test before creating a new account. This is what you need to do. You need to upload a video that is very simple, a self video, and also that video should have no text, no hashtag, and just a short clip with a trending sound. Now how do you actually get a trending sound? You can actually go right here on your TikTok app like this, click on the search button and search for trending sound on TikTok now. So when you do that, looking right here, you can see sounds. So right here, you can see sounds you can actually use. So you can actually click on any of the sounds and you'll be able to upload a video using that sound. So this is how you can actually use trending sound. So you need to upload a video that is very simple, a safe video that has no issue with TikTok community guidance, and that video should have no text, no hashtag, just a short clip video with a trending sound, and upload that video. And if that video did not actually get any views, it is likely that it is from your account. But if that video actually gets more views, it actually means that it is from your content or captions. So you need to be careful of the content and captions as well. Most importantly, you should actually use trending sound. It actually makes you to get more views on TikTok. In order for you to actually know the right video, now this is actually a bonus tips for people who actually watch to this very moment. So right here, in order for you to know the right videos to actually post on TikTok, in order for you to get more engagement and views on TikTok, you can come right here on your TikTok search button and search for creator search insights. So when you do that right like this, you can see where it says view. You need to click on that like this. So right here, you can see the suggested videos you can actually make in order to get more views. In order for you to actually know the right videos to actually make, looking right here, you can see where it says content gap. So you can simply go ahead and click on content gap like this, and you're going to see the videos that are actually necessary for you to post. So looking right here, you can see a lot of topics you can actually post that can actually boost your views on TikTok. If you make any videos using any of those title right here, you'd be able to get more views, especially when you add it a trending sound. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now this is how simple it is to fix low views or videos stuck below 100 views on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Now this channel is really for you. Hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. See you in the next one.